How to factory reset Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to walk you through the process of factory resetting for Windows 11. Whether you are troubleshooting issues or preparing to sell your device, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. Click on Settings. This will open up the Settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your Windows 11 system. Next, scroll down and select Windows Update. On the left side, you will see an option for recovery. Click on that. At the top of the recovery page, you will find an option to reset this PC. Click on Get Started to proceed. Now you will have the two options. You can either reset Windows and keep your personal files or completely wipe the operating system. If you choose to wipe everything, make sure to back your data to an external drive or the cloud storage. For this video, we will select the option to keep our files. After making your choice, Windows will confirm the reset actions. When you're ready, click Reset. The reset process will take some time and your computer will restart. Just sit back and let Windows do its thing. Once the process is complete, you will be brought back to your desktop, and that's it. You have successfully factory reset Windows 11 while keeping your personal files. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.